So my wife said, are you going to clean the surface washer before you put it away? I said yes, and I'm going to clean the pressure washer with the pressure washer before I put it away. I got a couple of accessories for my pressure washer. This is just a 2000 psi, not very strong. And this is the surface washer that I got, which is over here. And it looks like this. It's plastic, and there are two jets here that turns around, and you have some bristles. This is 15 inches. It works okay. I'm not saying this is the perfect replacement. I see there are ones that have wheels. I think those are probably easier to work with. This you have to push. Although the jet of water will lift it somewhat, but you still have to push, and you cannot get the ground or your concrete clean with just one pass, so you sort of have to go back and forth. And if you have ones with the wheels, then it'll be easier. So while this is okay, it's better than just the nozzle here. This actually will clean better, but it will take a longer time. So if you don't want to spend too much effort, this would be the way to go. Yamatic, and it's 25 feet, about $25. The only thing that is not too great with this is there's only one O-ring. The old one has two O-rings, so it fits better. So when I start up the pressure washer, so every now and then there's a drop or two of water here, which is okay, but definitely not as great as the original Craftsman's pressure washer hose. So I have a video on the cleaning. You can see it is not perfect with just a surface washer. You can see some dark area because I didn't go over back and forth. I just did a quick cleaning. Like here you can see some dark spot, right? So I can do a better job, but that will take a longer time. So hey, the more effort you spend, the better your job is going to be. So good time to spray the fence a little also, and siding.